you can see my screen, and from my screen you can copy the answers. Okay, I'm going to start the sharing. Yeah, here, start copying the answers. Now you can see the question number 1, fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. The first one is program.
Sir, my all answers are correct.
All answers are correct. That's very good. Just check those who had already did. Just check your answers, and those who had made mistake, copy the correct answer. Most of you will take the homework.
Sir, but in 7, sir,
Yeah.
but in 7 you have written sun with Tehu light, but in hints there is no option of sun with Tehu light. There is Sumit.
Now this is the latest one, ma'am. This is the latest one. Okay. So you can copy this answer. This is the latest one, latest supercomputer. Slowly, I'll be scrolling down. Okay. Slowly, I'll be scrolling down. Write the answers as soon as you can. Copy the answers. Copy the answers. Don't just start your videos. Copy the answers instead of looking here and there and roaming. Copy the answers. The answers are displayed on the screen. So along with that, I'm going to read out the question also for you people. Let me get the book. Yes. So this is the chapter number 1. Hopefully all of you had already copied the fill in the blank. So I'm going to start from true false. Machine language is the only language that a computer understands. It is true. Number 2, assembly language is regarded as the first generation language. It is false. Number 3, each programming language has its own specific rules. That is true. I had said you that those we also term as syntax. The rules that we need to follow for a particular programming language, we say them as syntax. Number 4, compiler. A compiler converts a high-level language program into machine language line by line. It is false. The compiler converts the whole program at once. Number 5, the high-level language program has to be converted into machine language by the translator program. That is true, because computers do not understand the low-level high-level language. It only understands the low-level language. Number 6, programming is the process of writing specific instructions in a computer language. It is true. Number 7, machine language uses numeric code. It is wrong. It is false. Machine language uses binary code, zeros and ones. Embedded systems are equipped with touch screen. That is false, because touch screen is a display system. It is used to just show you the display. And embedded systems are the small computers. Those are placed within a device For example, the microwave, the what you say, the washing machine, the refrigerator, the induction top, those in those there are small computers, those are micro embedded systems. Number 9, a game console can also be connected to a television or a computer. It is true. We have seen the game console. Number 10, a computer can easily understand a high level language. A computer can easily understand a high level language. I think this is false. Computer do not understand high level language. We need to convert it. Okay, now. So change the number 10. Previously it was incorrect. Now comes application based question. The first one. Raman is working in the National Weather Forecasting Agency. Which type of computer he is using for weather forecasting? It could be in the book it is said as supercomputer only. So I had also written the supercomputer. Which type of computer do Indian Railways use to interact with the customer for booking and cancellation of tickets? Obviously, it is mainframe computers. Obviously, it is mainframe computers. Then comes number 3. Sumit is trying his hand in Java programming, but he does not know which type of language it is. Help him to solve the query. We know that Java is a high-level language. Then come multiple choice question. A program written in assembly level language is called source program. Any program written in a particular language is a source program. It may be assembly level language, it may be a high level language. But in machine level language, the source program and the object program both are same. Nitul, you was, sorry, yes, Nitul, you are showing something. I was unable to see them. ऋषि राज सिंह, बाहर करेंगे, बार बार वीडियो ऑन कर देते हो. Yes, just a second, Nitul, just a second. Let me, I cannot see you. I'll see that later. Okay. Now, multiple choice. Number 2, a dash converts a high level language to program to machine level language line by line. We know it. It is the interpreter. Number 3, the program converted into machine level language by the translator is called as object program. Laptop usually have dash inch screen, 13 to 15. Nowadays 17 inch also is available. Now comes number 5. Dash are used in home, school, shop, office, bank, etc. Microcomputers. Now here are the question answers. So those who have written correctly, if you want, I am just enlarging it out so that you can see it clearly. Okay. So that you can see it clear. Yeah. Now hopefully you can see them. You need not to write much longer things. Okay. Don't make the answers unnecessarily very long. Quick and simple answers. I think you can copy from the screen. So Now see the question number 3. You can even write it in the form of points like this. Like this. If anyone faces problem in copying, they can raise the hand that you failed to copy the previous line that disappeared above. Yeah, Vandana Kumari. Yes, Vandana. Vandana Kumari. कौन छूट गया?
Sir, 2 and 3.
2 and 3. अरे बाप रे, तो शाम को वीडियो में देख लेना है ना बेटा, शाम को वीडियो भेज देंगे वो।
Question answer. Question
हाँ
answer.
हाँ हाँ, सब रहेगा जैसे जैसे अभी देख रही है वैसे ही रहेगा, सेम टू सेम। तो स्टडी मटेरियल सेक्शन में मिल जाएगा, है ना। यस, ऋषिराज सिंह, ऋषिराज सिंह।
सर मेरा 2-3 तो क्वेश्चन छूट गया सर।
हे भगवान, तो एक काम करना बेटा, शाम को जो है हम वीडियो अपलोड कर देते हैं ना हर दिन का, तो वहां से देख करके कॉपी कर लेना, ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
ओके,
थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम। रजनीश राज भाई, कहाँ पे छूटा?
सर 6 नंबर का आप स्क्रीन पे एक बार दिखा दीजिए सर।
ले आ गया स्क्रीन पे। Hopefully all of you have completed the question number 6. So I am going to remove the whole thing upward. Okay, question number 6 पूरे हटा रहे हैं. Now this is 7. I think that is the last also. You can see this is the last question. So question 9 तक ही ना है. Yes, the remaining is on the screen, so you can copy it. Aryan Raj, बोलो. आर्यन, नहीं बोलना है, बोलना है।
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का
ये तो नीचे पड़ा हुआ है, देखो ना, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 ही तो लास्ट है ना।
यस सर।
हाँ, तो क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस होगा सुन करके बहुत बच्चा आज क्लास में आ गया। We have 31 students attending the today's class, और दूसरा दिन 22, 23, 24 को ही अटक जाता है। चलो, कुछ तो बड़ा इंटरेस्ट तो आया किसी को। ओके ना, so once you complete, just give me a indication that we had completed, so that we can start discussion about the other sections, or any doubts if you have, we will clear it out. नेतुल का तो हो गया दिख रहा है। यस, सागर सुमन।
सर हम अपना आंसर लिखे थे सर, बस सर ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का सर थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, बट सर
देखो, थोड़ा मोड़ा डिफरेंट है तो चलेगा। I don't mind a small difference, but if it is incorrect, and why I gave you, because many of you had not submitted and many had find difficulties in submitting. They may not be working properly in the class plus live. Okay, so that's why I had shown you the answers. I don't know whether I'll be able to show you all the answers of all the chapters. Okay, so आज तो दिखा दिए, आगे से पता नहीं. Now this is once again Vandana Kumari Valodia. Yes, Vandana. No, she don't want to speak, I think. Yes, Vandana, bolo.
Sir, if
Hmm.
my answer is correct, then I
Hmm.
can write
Uh-huh.
my only in exam.
Yes, absolutely. If your answers you think it is correct and it is matching my answer, you keep your own answer. You need not to change. You need not to change. जो तुम अपने से लिखोगी वो तुम मेरे से अच्छे से समझोगी भी ना, तो वो आंसर सही है.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So hopefully all of you had completed the answers, writing down the answers and matching your answer with mine. Those who had already did the homework, they had matched. And if anybody have any doubt regarding your answer and my answer, so now you can ask to clear. Okay, I think we have some time left yet. Okay, done, all of you. So I'm closing the sharing now. Means I'm yes, Bandana. Bandana, bolo. Question number.
Sir, in question number 5, my points are different from yours.
What are your points? Can you please read them out?
First is same, but the second and third is different.
Yes, you read out your points. Let me listen them.
Minimum efforts from the user to obtain any information.
Correct, it is.
Next is structured query language. SQR is the most popular example of 4G.
That you had given the example only, na? You can see, as you had written, minimum effort from the programmer to obtain information. This is the point. The same point it is. Okay. Then you had given an example. So how many points you had written? 3 or 4?
Sir, 3.
Then you must remove that SQL, the example of the 4GL. Okay, remove that example and write 1 point from here. Okay, your second point is what you said, minimum effort by the programmer to retrieve information. This is the same thing. Okay, I had highlighted it. You can see. By the time I am going to take this Ariana, sorry, Ananya. Ananya.
Sir, I have sent homework on Class Plus Lite app.
Yeah, but I saw it, but didn't find time to check actually. So I had because only
Okay.
only 5 of you people had sent. Those who are real sincere. So you people had sent. I appreciate that. Oh, कितना ज़्यादा बात हो रहा है.
Okay.
Okay. You had sent. I had failed to check them out. So those who don't know how to send the homework in Class Plus Lite. So first of all, you need to open My Batch, the homework I gave you. From your My Batch, you can find on the top there is a homework section. I'm trying to show you from my mobile, although it will be not the same as yours. So you can see how I'm doing. First, we have to go to your batch. means according to you, whatever the batch is. Now on the top, you can see there is homework. Fine, touch the homework. And as you touch the homework, you get these options. Simply you need to touch the homework, not anything else. Many of them had used the filter. Why should you filter? You had given only one homework. So just touch the homework. Mine is different, your will be different. And when you touch the homework, there you get the option of submit homework. Once you click on submit homework, you will get the option of uploading files and images. So yesterday evening, I think around 9:30 or 10 or late night, many people were disturbing me. Sending messages, sir, I'm sending over, I cannot do this, I cannot do that. They had sent me the screenshot. My dear students, after working the whole day, I need rest, isn't it? So if you disturb me in the evening, what I can do, I'll do, isn't it? So that's all for today. Hopefully all of you had written the answers, and those who had failed to write few answers, they can always check the videos. Those I'll be uploading in the evening. Okay. Have a nice day and get prepared if you have class next. So that's all.